In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spoiler images on Discord Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hide a picture behind a spoiler filter so others have to tap to reveal it. This is perfect for sensitive content, plot twists, or anything you don't want to spring on people without a warning. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date so the interface looks familiar. From your home screen, head into the server, group, or direct message where you want to share the image. Pick the specific channel or conversation and check that you have permission to send media there. If the message box is minimized, tap it to bring up the keyboard and the attachment options. Now upload your image and mark it as a spoiler before sending. Tap the plus icon or the image thumbnail next to the message field to open your gallery. Select the photo you want to share. You should see a preview of the image along with options for editing the caption or adjusting how it's sent. Look for the spoiler control. This is typically an eye icon, often shown with a slash through it, labeled mark as spoiler or represented as a spoiler toggle near the attachment preview. Tap that eye icon to turn on the spoiler effect. When it's enabled, Discord will blur the image and tag it as a spoiler in the chat until viewers choose to reveal it. If you'd like, type a short message in the text field to give context, like a content warning or a brief description. This is helpful so people know what they're choosing to view. Once your image is marked as a spoiler and your caption looks good, tap send. In the chat, your image will appear blurred with a spoiler overlay. Anyone in the conversation can tap it to reveal, and once revealed, it's visible for them like a normal image. A few quick tips as you do this. Make sure the eye icon is highlighted before sending. That's your confirmation that the spoiler is active. If you don't see the icon, try scrolling the preview options or updating your app. Remember, spoilers are a courtesy. Use them when sharing shocking, graphic, or plot-sensitive content to respect others' experiences. And that's it. Open Discord, upload your photo, tap the iSpoiler icon, and send. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.